How you feeling, Aussie? 2 more nights with your love.
Hope you're gonna stay for me.
Oh, darling, I can't stay for you because I'm going. Denpasar. I am so hot. I literally was dropping sweat like as if I just showered and walked out. I guess it's a good way to kickstart my keto journey again, I guess. It's now, you guys seen it before. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful.
Yeah, what's up guys, your boy Georgie. As you say guys, as you know guys, we're not uploading any videos, so yeah, we back with another videos. Today I'm gonna shout out to the man who come and say hello to me. If you know, you come and say hello to me at petrol station. Yeah, I don't know man, this is the first time I saw you here in Canberra, so yeah, I know you think I'm from other states, so now.
What are you saying, babe?
I know you think
what are you saying?
I'm from other states because you asked me, oh, what are you doing here in Canberra? I live here in Canberra, bro. Thanks for coming and say hello to me. Hope you have a great night. And this weather is so hot. You need to drink this up and go, up and go. It make you feel go up, go up, go up.
Oh my gosh, look at my hair! Apologies for the delay.
Hello guys. Apologies for my not uploading any videos.
You just got a new lens, I hope you can tell.
Know guys.
Sorry for cutting you off. It's been so long since we started vlogging. And guys, I'm going to Bali without Aussie. Leading up to it, I was like kind of excited, and now it's like the week of, and I'm like 2 days away from flying away for 7 days without my Oshi boo boo, which is why I told him to drop me to the bus station, and I'm going to catch a bus from Canberra to Sydney because I cannot bear to say goodbye to him at the airport. Hair, look at these baby hairs. I don't know what to do with them.
What do you use that baby hair for?
Aussie thinks that I'm calling these baby hairs because I made it up. That's what you call these little hairs? You know these hairs that you can't put back? They're like so small.
These hairs, it's already been old.
Yeah, I'm getting really upset. Like, it would be easier if we had kids to like be separated from each other, but we don't. And we're with each other like all the time. So when we're not with each other, it's like kind of really sad. The only time that we're apart from each other is generally when we're at work and on the weekends when I'm with my sisters. But other than that, we're pretty much together all the time. He's like my left butt cheek.
And you are my right butt cheek.
Yeah, so we're gonna go do a grocery shop for Aussie because I usually cook. So we're gonna get him some ready to eat meals. We're gonna get him some ready to eat meals.
I have a
Otherwise, Aussie's been working, I've been working, we've both been so busy.
Start at 5:30 in the morning, finish at 5 o'clock afternoon. Guys,
or lens, I should say.
Look, you're so baby hair. Like,
because I'm a baby girl.
Look, you're so young, baby hair. You big me, you old hair, me.
No, they're called baby hairs. Look, Google it.
Google it.
We're on our way to go shopping now, guys. So we're gonna go get a few things and then go and see my parents off because they are going to Bali as well. This is their holiday. I'm just fifth wheeling. My brother is taking them on a holiday. So they leave tomorrow and I leave on Saturday. Today is Thursday. I still got work tomorrow. I got a Christmas party I need to attend, guys. This is like super close, but the lens is like making it look like it's really far. I just finished showering and I made dinner. Jumped in the shower, came back, dinner was ready. So we got these chickens, oh yeah baby, and rice. I'm gonna get a quick salad done, some spinach, avocado and capsicum. That's not capsicum, that's broccoli. How you feeling, Aussie? 2 more nights with your love.
Hope you're gonna stay for me.
Oh darling, I can't stay for you because I'm going. You were meant to come. You didn't change your mind.
She like it.
Bye guys. Hey guys. It has been the whole day since I have vlogged and it's currently Saturday early morning. It's about 12:30 or 12:40. And I'm still feeling kind of sad that I'm leaving Aussie. But it's only 7 days, so I'm gonna put my big girl panties on that I borrowed from Molly. And I'ma just go. I'ma just do it. I'm excited to get there and explore, and the massages. It's just leaving Aussie. Aussie's currently in the room playing Fortnite. That's why I'm catching a bus from Canberra to Sydney, because I don't want him to drop me off, because I will just cry my eyes out at the airport. So yeah, guys, I just had a shower not long ago. I've got to get up in 3 hours. So I probably won't sleep, because then I don't want to miss my bus. And then Aussie will end up taking me to Sydney. It's a 6-hour flight. And then it's an hour and a half from the airport, from Denpasar to Ubud via car. So it's going to be a long day for me. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed vlogging. I've missed chatting to you guys. I just have not even been on YouTube lately because I've been so busy. I know that I keep saying that, but I really have. I'm working really hard because I am fighting for my promotion. And I thank God for his grace, which enables me to do that. But I've also been working on a big project of my own on the side. I can't really say much about it now, but it's something that I'm very passionate about, and something that I've started in the past and I'm starting up again. I've been praying for guidance in this project and ideas. Sorry, that was a bad angle. So I'm heavily relying on the guidance of the Holy Spirit to lead me and to grant me the wisdom to finish it this time. But I'm going to finish packing. My suitcase is just looking at me. It's just sitting there doing nothing. So guys, I'm actually on my way to the airport. I missed my bus and Aussie's dropping me, and my eyes are red now because I just finished crying. And it's only 7 days. Oh my gosh, I'm such a big baby. But I'm Aussie's big baby.
You'll be fine, girl.
It's not that long, guys. I don't know what I'm crying about, but I'm probably gonna cry again when I get there.
You already dropped you?
Yeah, okay. So I haven't got an aero guard. I need to get some aero guard.
Enjoy your holiday there in Bali. Hopefully you get more videos for people who want to watch. And guys, stay tuned for the vlog.
We're finally here at the airport now. Drove around for a while trying to look for a park, but we finally found one. About to walk in.
Checked in now, guys. I'll go back after she goes. Just punch out, right back home.
We're grabbing something to eat quickly before I board. How's your chicken confidential?
Yeah, that's good. Yummy. Yeah.
I'm gonna say goodbye.
She's gonna go now. Stay tuned for the vlog from Bali. And please subscribe and comment down below.
I had to get these adapters because my mum called and said they couldn't charge their phones because they don't have the adapters. And I get priority because I need to call Aussie as soon as I get there. Don't I?
See you guys.
So I'm finally in gate now. I'm on the phone to Aussie. I am like flustered. I had to run all the way here. So bloody hot. But we're still not boarding yet. Still waiting. I really miss Aussie. I cried so much saying goodbye to him. But guys, this is it for Australia. I will see you guys in Bali. Guys, I just arrived in to Denpasar and the hot heat just gushed out when I walked out of the plane. Then we had to get a bus that took us inside here, and then there was such a long line. It's such a scary process. Can't really talk right now, but I'm waiting for my bags to come out. And I met these two lovely girls from New Zealand who were very nice to me on the plane. I didn't actually get their names, but I'm just going to give you guys a snippet of what it looks like here. So I don't know if this looks familiar to anyone. I'm very excited to eat durian. I love durian from ASMR. I really miss Siaosi so much. I cried so much, and then I tried not to cry on the plane, which was a big fail because I did cry. And I mean, like I said before, it'd be easier if we had kids, because like your kids are pretty much your spouse, but we don't have kids, and it's very tough being away from him. I also hope that the person who's meant to pick me up is still waiting for me because our flight was delayed. So I'm here in my taxi now with Lusty, and I am so hot. I literally was dropping sweat like as if I just showered and walked out. I was drenched. It's so humid here. Even though it's only 30 something, it feels like it's 50. Me and the heat do not get along well, so it will be interesting to see how this all pans out. Oh my god, the traffic here is so crazy. I want to show you guys, I'm still missing Aussie so much. My eyes are a bit smudged because I called him, and the moment I heard his voice I just burst into tears. Denpasar. I guess it's a good way to kickstart my keto journey again, I guess. Although there's people just beeping horns anyhow. But I'm excited to see my family because I just feel so homesick right now. Guys, I just got here. It's such a beautiful place. My family was waiting for me. My dad, and that's Lusty, my bro, mother, and oh my gosh, this place is so nice. Wow. Yay!
Did you pay your driver?
Yeah. Is this the typical weather, or has it gone down?
No, this is cool.
Oh.
It's gone down.
Oh damn, so I'm still... Wow, this is so nice.
Thank you for picking up my sister-in-law, because she's traveling by herself, so she's a little bit worried, you know. When
Who stays there?
Haven't been. No one.
Hey, where do I go? Shows me. Follow us. That's Nell. You guys seen him before. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. So in case you didn't know, my brother booked out this villa.
This is Dad's room.
Whose room?
Ingrid's and the kids.
Yeah.
Dad's room.
Who's dad? Your dad.
Yeah. Yusi. My room. And this is your room.
Oh.
I just put the aircon on, so.
Oh yeah, I don't want that.
Yeah, I know, I knew that.
I haven't eaten all day. Wow, guys.
My back burnt.
Yeah, you got like a heat rash. Oh, I miss Aussie so much.
Oh, is my back?
Ingrid's laughing at me.
It's my back. It's a little bit red, but it's not.
How does this? Oh.
So that's your own ensuite, Vicky.
Holy smokes, it's hot in here. Oh my gosh, it's outside kinda. There would be bugs. Look guys, it's like kind of outside. It's just got this.
When you go in the pool.
What, did you guys already have a thingo?
Well, I was waiting for you.
No, you already had one. I saw you sitting in the pool, you big fatty.
I had like 10 swims today. Oh, my back! Oh no, I'm going. Wanna come?
Yeah, hold on, just let me settle in, bro.
Give Vicky the tour down now of the villa.
Okay,
the villa.
There's the kitchen.
Wow.
That's my bathroom. That's the kitchen.
That's the kitchen.
It's kind of like inside but outside.
Yeah, all open there. And then this is the outdoor where we have all our meals.
TV. You have to set up the TV.
Where breakfast is
If you want YouTube, Netflix stuff, you have to set that up.
Oh, that's cool. Well, you can just use your own laptop.
Look at our views. Here, the rice patties.
That's rice patties.
Oh, this is not going right down there.
Oh, it's so nice.
How peaceful is that? No traffic, no nothing.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
I'm gonna take Vicky down through the garden to the pool and then show you how
Oh my gosh, did you know that girl's such a bogan?
Yeah, she's from Frankston. Did you know that's where you were born?
I was born in Dandenong.
Were we living in Frankston that time you were born?
Oh, look, there's a pool over there. How do you get to the pool?
Come on, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, what? I'm back here.
Yeah, come here.
Where's Mum and Dad staying? They get their own private villa. Ooh, lucky them. Oh, what the heck? This is so tiny. Is it deep?
Yeah, that can't even stand down there.
Oh, okay.
So it's like really deep.
Oh, this is so beautiful, guys.
Oh, now I'll show you.
Mum, did you cut it?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Yeah.
Wow, this is nice.
Huh?
Oh, close it. They've got the executive suite. Ooh, fancy. Oh, they've got it. Theirs is not outside.
How was your trip? Did you sleep at all?
No, because the girl kept talking next to me. Wow.
Bling, bling, bling.
It's like some more heat. This is so beautiful.
Whoever's watching this at my school, sucked in.
Okay guys, so I'm going to call it a night now. I'm going to sign out, probably go for a swim or have a shower, either one of them, and turn on the aircon in my room and start editing this vlog. Oh, thank you now.
Yeah, I really did that.
And I still miss you so much.
Bye, Aussie. Hi, Aussie.
But it's only 6 days, and that's okay. I'm a big girl, got my big girl pants on, literally.
You do, actually.
And I am not looking forward to the plane ride back because that was a long ass freaking plane ride. But guys, thank you so much for watching this far, and yes, we are back to vlogging. I'm gonna try and do Vlogmas this month. Hopefully I can get at least, if not one every day, then one every second day, a video up. But we'll be trying new things. You might see me and Nell doing mukbangs, trying out Balinese foods and fruits. I'm keen to try the durian.
If you guys do come to Bali, go to street food. They're delicious.
Did you have street food today?
No, last year.
Oh,
they're so good. But don't trust the shabby ones.
Go, take a thumbnail.
Subscribe, leave a humongous like, and hit that little bell, please. We really appreciate it.
Stay tuned for the next vlog.